Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on USAA Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usaa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for USAA Bank. Now from the home page, in order to sign up for your account, click on the log on button at the top right corner and then you will find the register for access option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to choose what kind of identification you would like to use. You can either choose your social security number or your tax ID number, and you can also use your USAA bank account number. Just type in your 5 to 12 digit account number or your tax ID or social security number. Then choose your country and enter your phone number. After entering all of these information, tap on the text enrolled link option, and then you will get a text message with the enrollment link. Just tap on this link and this will proceed forward with asking you further information to verify your account information. After you provide all of your personal and your residential information, including verification through your government ID, you will be allowed to set up a password for your account. Just type in your desired password and then click on the next button and your login credentials will successfully be set. And once your account has been verified, you can use your newly set credentials within the logon section in order to sign in to your created account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on USAA Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.